Well, welcome back, my friends, to another rousing rendition of Choir Boys Cutlery. 22 veterans a day in this country take their own lives. Vets, I love you. You have a place here. We back to blue over here. We support Leo. How do we do that, Megatron?
We don't break the damn law.
And finally, if you are an addict, never quit quitting. Well, D-Bad sent my Medford back and taped it up pretty well, so I thought we'd do an unboxing here and untaping to show you what I have to deal with on a daily basis. Now, I haven't talked to D-Bad in a while, and I hope he's doing well. I'm unboxing it or unpackaging it with my Green River Works, my Russell from Green River Works, made in USA, given to me by Gene and Kayla Johnson. They sent us a big package, and I'm so appreciative for them. This isn't a true unboxing, so I figured I'd break in a new knife while doing it. I believe Gene put the micarta handles on here himself, and he did a masterful job. It's 1095 steel. Great little knife. Well, here's my Medford. There was no letter in the outer envelope. I wonder how Donnie's doing. I don't know. We'll see. Let's see if there's any more tape. Well, wait a minute. What is this?
Dearest Scab, it has been a fortnight, whatever the hell that is, since we last spoke. The nights here on the front lines have been harsh. Of course, the back lines are 50 paces behind me, so those are pretty harsh too. I hope my correspondence, probably spelt wrong, that was absolutely spelt wrong, reaches you well, or at least just reaches you. I mean, really, the mailman is rigging a horse across a battlefield. I'm certain his steed will soon be Alpo. The colonel, which should be spelt Kernal, dumb, brings good news. Of course, he is a staggering drunk and delivered it to the wrong company. I am with great hopes that Megatron and Tina are well, mainly because I know we are not. By now, dear brother, I'm sure you have realized that this letter is no more than blabbering nonsense. Please stay safe from polio, the Black Death, and syphilis. That shit will kill you. With great sincerity, your friend always, crazy long sign-off, D-Bad.
Well, that was a nice little flashback we had there, and I'm appreciative for Donnie for all he does. He's marching to 10,000, and at this point, with this much tape, I don't really care if he gets it or not, but if you're not subscribed, you probably should be for award-winning entertainment such as this. This is some kind of cigarette ad that we've now wrapped around the Medford, along with plenty more tape. And the good news is we got about a minute and a half left to keep going. And there's even more tape, but we all know Donnie's well, and that's awesome. You know, this is a $900 knife that we've got 9 pounds of tape on. That might be a little get back for, you know, banging up and down on his prototypes. I'm not sure. They say payback's a bitch, and that's obviously what we're doing here. Love you, Donnie. God bless you, brother. Y'all go sign up for Donnie if you're not. Listen, my guy Mikey says it best. Never give up, never surrender, and everything will be okay. Mikey's true, and Mikey and Lauren have a video out. Go check them out. That's my shout out today, Cerebral Ballsy. I'm Scab.
I'm Megatron.
And you're not. There's still literally like 20 seconds left to go. So we're gone, son. Y'all enjoy this. I told y'all about 20 seconds.